Hello everyone, this is video number 26 in the series I'm doing on high school wrestling rules. If you saw by the thumbnail, this video is on the mat area. This is a request that I was asked to do, this type of video. It's not going to be very long, not really a whole lot to go over. It's mainly going to be short videos with screen text. I mean, not much I can say really about it, but some people weren't for sure of the distances, even though it's in the book. A lot of fans and a lot of people not familiar with the sport don't really know how far certain things should be away, score tables, chairs, how big the mat is, all that kind of stuff. So that's what this video is. At the end of this video, you will see I was at the high school I was at today when I shot the whole video, but I was not happy with the quality of the first part, so I'm redoing it. And I've got my training partner with me today. So you guys sit back and watch the video, and I'm going to punch on this guy. I moved locations. I'm in a quieter spot, what should be quieter on video anyway, and a little bit more brighter. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it wasn't very long, but a lot of information that is useful. On the yellow tape that's down, the yellow duct tape, I like to use a neutral color tape because in the past I've used red and green, and when you're at a tournament, there's a lot of stuff going on. You have one wrestler that may have the red wrist ankle band on, but his coaches just set down at the green, and it causes the confusion. The main thing that you need to make sure of is that the tape line is down within the 5 feet back from the outer circle. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a video request that I had from somebody, so there you have it. You know who you are. Thanks for requesting this video, and that's it. That's all I got. We'll see you guys on the mats.